Vanilla latte with lions. Lion money.
Lion Mane.
Lion money. Marathi. Hi,
Hi,
I'm Pallavi.
I'm Ayate.
Welcome to
Welcome to
We Are Just Saying.
Saying What. Cheers. We're so annoying.
Yeah, we are.
But I'm not as annoying as Siri or Alexa or.
Siri, don't even remind me.
What has she ever done to you?
She never listens to me. And she always listens when I don't want her to listen to me. Do
Yeah.
you know what I mean?
Yeah. Like, I have stopped bothering. Like, I don't do OK Google and everything because I can't waste my voice shouting. So I'd just rather go old school way and actually use my fingers to scroll through things. And
Just go and ask your OK Google
about what?
some things. Are you listening to me?
It is always listening
It
to
is
us.
always listening to you. Isn't that scary? How your phone is always keeping an eye on you?
Yeah, this is a funny story. Okay, so I was in the train and I was finding the perfect song to upload on my post. Okay, and I was not able to like remember what the name of the song is. So I was like, you know what? Let me think really hard, and I think it will come on my Instagram. And the next reel had that song.
That is so bloody scary. Did you like say it out loud or you just thought in your head?
I just thought in my head, like
See,
really,
that's
really
what see,
hard.
that's what scares me the most. Like she's not even saying the words. I understand when we are saying something, the
Yeah.
microphone is on and some of the whatever apps and everything, and then it detects and it wants to give you what you are looking for. She's thinking in her head, and then you're giving that song on Instagram. Like this needs
Yeah.
to stop.
Or maybe it's kind of helpful, right? Like I would have wasted so much time looking for that song
No,
and so
that's
much effort.
creepy.
I got the song. My job is done. Like you said, finding what you're looking for. Speaking of which, AI. Like, isn't it crazy how far we've come with AI?
It's creepy. Do you know
Yeah.
that Microsoft's new AI
Yeah.
tried to convince a guy in New York to divorce his wife
Oh my god.
because it said that his wife is not good enough and she doesn't want him anymore. She's not satisfied with him, and it doesn't just want to be an AI.
if the guy is looking for marriage counseling in an AI device, the wife should definitely divorce him. Like, what kind of a stupid person goes to AI? It's just the beginning because I've heard like a few reports where managers are going to start using AI to
Laid out.
see who should be laid off or who should get a promotion based on the tone of their emails or the work that needs to be progressed and everything. So that's creepy, right? Like,
I want
your
our
next
companies
job,
to always be old
old
school.
school. I
No
want to
AI.
go in an old
Go paperwork.
company where I hand in my resume and like, they
Yes.
see me skin to skin and like
Yeah. Like one of my professors, like she was very against this AI and everything. Okay, she's like, I never use AI. I will never chat GPT. I never use it. I'm like, do you think chat GPT is AI? Is that it?
is that it? Yeah. I'm actually a bit like that professor because I'm very hesitant when it comes to using AI because like my work involves a lot of creativity, right?
Yeah.
So I feel like if I use more AI, I think I will not have an original thought after that. Like I'll rely too much on it.
Absolutely.
So I kind of like step back when it comes to using AI. I'm that person who used to be like हमारे ज़माने में AI नहीं रहता था, you know, we used to have our original organic thoughts.
In this century, honestly, it's so hard to understand who's smart and who's AI.
Yeah.
You know.
Sometimes you can tell, like, you know, when you met the person in real life and you know the kind of tone that they use.
Exactly.
But the text that they use, say, on their LinkedIn posts or Instagram posts, you can, like, tell, like, this doesn't sound like them. This doesn't sound authentic.
Yeah, but then again, if you're not meeting a person, consider
Yeah.
like this online dating and
Or an
everything.
influencer or something.
Yeah, any influencer, if they're using the AI or Chat GPT, if they have the pro version, you can just tell the AI that this is my tone, this is how I talk.
Yeah.
Now, from now on, whenever I ask you any questions, you need to reply in my tone, save it in your memory,
Yeah.
and they're gonna save it.
Yeah.
And they'll give you the answers exactly how you talk.
Influencers
Scary.
have started using AI to like model a clone of them, and then they feed like the topic. The AI will generate a script, and the video is ready. Like they are not even performing for the video
Why the
anymore.
hell are we doing this? Do you think we are real or
But
it's
is
an
that
AI?
lazy or is that smart? Like,
Okay, so this is hard to differentiate. I feel it is smart, but then in coming future, I think it will be scary.
scary, not even lazy.
No,
You
not even
skipped
lazy. Yeah, that part we have skipped.
You know, so when I did my masters, AI was not accessible at that point, and that was like
Ooh.
just like 2 or 3 years ago. And we did all of our assignments. Like my friend sat beside me, and he used to ask me, like, Ayati, is this sentence sounding right? Like, can you please reframe it? I was
Wow.
basically his
The
AI,
AI.
and we did all of that hard work. And literally, the next batch, I'm not even kidding, had access to AI. So all of the assignments were like heavily relying on AI, and it boggles my mind that these guys had it so easy. Like I'm like that old school person who is like, "Arey yaar, this is not fair."
Ayati's AI tag is gone. That's the hook.
So I feel like a little cheated, but I think if I did have access to AI, I would have used it for my assignments. I don't know about you. I think you did have access to AI,
I
right?
did have access and I took a proper advantage of it.
Yeah.
But no, I've just taken help, guys. If and my professors are watching it, no, I'm not an AI
I
person.
guess taking inspiration and like
Yeah, I've only taken
blatantly
inspirations.
copying is two different things, right? But like universities actually have the system to detect AI.
No,
No?
no. One of my friends, he did his entire project with AI. He just gave the brief and it was very late. Like his submission was tomorrow and he was just doing so much fun and then he
Yeah.
forgot to submit it.
Yeah.
So before the deadline, he got all the answers from AI and he got bloody 68. Couldn't detect it because he made it human version of it.
Oh, he put it like a little bit of humanness. So that's the thing. I think AI is getting smarter because when AI is generating images and everything, or even say audios or images, it's intentionally putting imperfections in it so that it's more believable. Like, say, if it's generating an image, it will make it slightly blurry, so it makes it feel like, oh, this was
Yeah.
like a shaky Gen Z photo,
Yeah. Yeah.
Like, or when it's like generating an audio, it will give you like the background noise of someone walking or a train going by, so it's more believable and not just like the audio of a person talking.
Yeah. Do you know Siri
Yeah.
is not able to pass Turing test? Do you know what Turing test is?
No.
So Turing test is basically a test when AI was generated, okay, in 1940s or 1950s or something. So that test is always used on devices to understand if they can have a proper human interaction and everything. Okay.
Okay.
So the Turing test, because Siri can never have a proper conversation.
Right.
Siri is not capable of that.
Yeah.
So Siri cannot pass Turing test.
Yeah.
That was a fun fact.
Wow.
FYI.
So brainy of you, dude.
Just today.
Yeah. I remember when Siri had just like come out, right? Used to be so fun to ask her
Hey,
random
Siri.
jokes and like tell me a joke or tell me like what is 0 divided by 0 and like stuff like that.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
used to
yeah.
give like those long funny answers. Everyone used to go crazy in my school for that.
Have you ever searched something haunted on ChatGPT?
Haunted, like scary.
Something demonic?
No.
Have you ever searched anything demonic
Nope.
on ChatGPT?
Nope. I don't want to get my phone. My phone will hang. My phone will crash. My phone will
Bhoot aa gaya, phone mein bhoot aa gaya. No, not like that. Just try probably searching on ChatGPT. You will not search. I know that. I know
Yeah,
that she's not.
it's,
gonna search.
she's gonna do it and she's gonna show it to me.
Yeah, wait. I'll search and show you.
Now,
Yeah. So you need to go on ChatGPT and search creepy voice.
creepy voice.
Okay, so I searched last night. Okay, I wanted to see what it does, and then I told it to give me the creepy voice. It said, "I've been watching you every night." It's 12:30 in the night. Okay, I'm alone in my room,
Yeah.
and I just asked it to give me something creepy, and it's telling me I've been watching you every night, just beyond the light, and you never noticed, did you?
It's so poetic though. I like that.
No.
You searched it. I don't know. But that's what scares me about those smart homes, where like the homes are like completely controlled by all the smart systems like
Yeah.
Amazon Home and all of those, like where your TV is connected, your lighting is connected, your
Never go in that room.
yeah, it scares me so much. Like all the Black Mirror episodes and everything talk about it so much. When
Right?
like slowly we are turning that, right? Like we have Alexa in our houses. She tells us everything, like the news and everything. And like slowly imagine if they start controlling the light whenever you are
Oh my
asleep. And then,
god! Oh my god! There's this girl who was saying that she was changing. Okay, now this thing is scary as well.
okay.
Okay, question:
Okay.
do you ever get scared when you're changing
My
and your
clothes.
phone is like that?
Oh yeah, all the
It's
time.
facing you or something.
Yeah. So
I keep a towel over it.
Oh,
I'm
what?
like,
Really?
I don't want it.
that makes sense. It's a fair valid. So back in the day when Snapchat was like new,
Mm-hmm.
when anyone used to video call you on Snapchat,
Yeah.
their face used to appear before you even receive the call.
God.
So my friend had video called me and their face appeared and I was like literally midway with my t-shirt like that and I was like, oh shit, did he see me?
no.
And then I just threw my phone somewhere. And then I
Scary.
realized I didn't pick up the call. But I was like, wow, that is creepy, right?
Yeah,
Like,
that is creepy. Like there's always that light blinking, and I feel like someone's watching me through my phone.
because of that reason, I bought a laptop which has a detachable camera. Like my laptop doesn't have a webcam
Nice,
basically.
nice. Do you know I have broken my webcam from the laptop?
You're
Yeah,
so
because
crazy.
yeah, no, because I'm scared. Like whenever I use it, I probably always put something on it, like a towel or like a tape or like
Yeah.
a paper, so that it's covered. I'm really scared with all this.
You're obsessive about it. for
Yeah.
sure.
So yeah, that girl, she
Yeah.
was changing, and the light started blinking in her phone, like on top. So it usually blinks
Oh.
when probably you're using microphone or camera,
Right.
right?
Yeah.
And she's like, I haven't opened anything. How is
Yeah.
that blinking?
Yeah.
She put her clothes back on. She checked. She went into the Instagram in the app section and nothing was open. Okay. And then she clicked on something and it was like unauthorized sign in or something.
Yeah.
And she got all creeped out
Yeah.
and she just left it. She's like, I'm not using
Yeah.
that phone. And then she put this thing on TikTok saying that, has this ever happened to you? Hundreds of comments. Yes, yes, yes. That's scary, bro.
Yeah. Have you watched the movie Log Out? It's that guy. What's his name?
I haven't watched Enlighten Me.
Irfan Khan's son. What's his name? Anyway, I'll put his name.
Yeah.
So Log Out. That's a good movie. And
Oh,
Control.
I really like his son. He's really
Yeah.
cute. Okay, let's
Naam
cut
nahi
this.
pata.
No, Babil Khan.
Yes. Khan stars in this movie called Log Out, and then the second movie is Control, which is Ananya Pandey starring in it. Both of them are pretty good movies actually, and like they've captured
watch
that
it.
essence of being scared around technology and stuff.
I think I've watched the one with Ananya,
Yeah,
but
it's
then I
on
haven't watched the other one.
Netflix, and
Yeah.
I think that one's I'm not sure. I think I'll mention it, but yeah, both of them like capture the essence of this scary technology because it's growing at a pace that we cannot grow with.
Yeah.
Like it's growing much more faster that we can keep up with, and that's what's scary.
Yeah, I mean AI is good. Like it's helpful. People make so much money with it, but then you just need to know how you need to use it in a
Yeah.
right way.
Ah.
But people misuse it.
Yeah.
And AI keeps the information. People
Yeah.
ask random questions. People
Yeah.
like me how to make bomb. No,
Yeah.
I'm just joking. I never asked that. So yeah, these things will be there in the data, right?
Yeah,
And like
it is
how
a
you
tool
can-
at the end of the day. So
Yeah.
sign out statement is use AI for like organizational
Yeah.
thing more than creativity. That's my thing. Like
Yeah,
I don't
make
want
it-
AI to do
make it good.
creativity. That's
Yeah.
all.
Exactly. Then why are we for? Why are this breathing
Human
breathing
brain,
creatures us
So
are there for?
okay,
Like-
hi.
Bag, 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 bag.
It's not recorded, Pallavi.
Shut up, you're lying.